I know right now you feel broken. You feel lost. But I want you to hear me when I say this. I will help you. Together, we're going to take the first steps to find your strength again. This is your time now. Your chance to call back all the energy, love, and power that you've poured into someone else. It's time to reclaim it for yourself. Let's begin. Step 1. Breathe and ground yourself. First, stop and breathe. You've been holding on so tight, haven't you? Inhale deeply and hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly. Feel your feet on the ground. You are still here, and you are still whole, even if it doesn't feel like it right now. Focus on your breath. This is the first step. Come back to yourself, to this moment. The past is gone, and the future hasn't arrived. All we have is right now, and you can get through this one breath at a time. Step 2. Feel what you're feeling. You don't have to be strong right now. Let yourself feel the pain, the sadness, the anger, the confusion. Let it wash over you. You've been holding it in for so long, haven't you? But today, we're gonna let it all flow out. Cry if you need to. Scream if you have to. Feel it fully, because your emotions are valid, and they need space to move through you. But know this, these feelings don't define you. They are just passing through, and they will pass. Step 3, take back your power. Now that we've given space to those emotions, it's time to take back what's yours. For so long you gave everything, your love, your energy, your power, to someone else. Now call it all back. Imagine yourself standing tall, your energy flowing back into you from the universe. You are whole without them. Repeat after me. I call my power back. I am enough as I am. I choose to take care of myself. And say it until you believe it. Believe it's true. You are more than this pain. Step 4. Focus on your needs, not theirs. It's so easy to keep thinking about what they need, what they want, what they're doing now. But this is about you. What do you need right now? Maybe it's a warm bath, a walk in nature, or just sitting quietly with a cup of tea. Whatever it is, do it. Show yourself the love and care you've been giving away. You deserve it. This is the time to turn inward, to nurture yourself, and to start rebuilding from within. Step 5. Set one small goal for today. Don't worry about tomorrow, or next week, or next year. For today, let's set just one small goal. Maybe it's getting out of bed. Maybe it's eating a nourishing meal. Maybe it's calling a friend. Whatever it is, focus on one thing. And when you've done it, celebrate it. You are not broken. You are healing. And healing happens one small step at a time. I know this is hard. I know you feel like you've lost everything. But you haven't lost yourself. And that's the most important thing. You are stronger than you realize. And today, you've already taken the first steps to get through this. Keep coming back to these steps. Keep coming back to yourself. You will get through this. I'm with you, and the universe is with you too. Now take a deep breath, and let's start again.